Okay, so that's going to be a quick demonstration of the issue that I'm having with my vehicle, 2015 Ford F-150. The power outlet is rated at 400 watts. 400 watts! That's a lot. Not really, but it should be enough to charge this Milwaukee battery. This Milwaukee battery is being connected to this charger. This charger is withdrawing 2.1 amps. Oh, can you see that? 2.1 amps. Now, at 2.1 amps, that means that the charger withdraws 250 watts, which is way below the 400. Now, the car is running. There we go. Let's plug it in. Let's see what's going on. Now I have a solid light. That means that the outlet is ready for use. Here's the cable for the charger. Plugging it in, it automatically gives us the flashing light, which means there's a fault. It's overloading. This power charger is so powerful that it overloads the 400 watts. When I'm connecting the battery, nothing works, obviously, because the light's still flashing. Now, here's a beautiful and very interesting thing. I'm going to unplug that one. I'm going to take off this cheap, very cheap power inverter. $19 on Amazon. I bought it, I think like 7 or 8 years ago. Seriously. Let's plug that one in. The inverter is on. We're having the light, the green light. I'll take the same charger and I'll plug it in into this inverter right here. As you can see, it is working perfectly. Here we go. So with a $20 inverter, the Milwaukee charger works, but not with a $56,000 Ford F-150.